Well, I'm going to do an unboxing video of this inverter generator. This is a 3200 watt running watt of 3200 and starting of 4000. So let's just open this up and see what comes in the box. Let's see if I can lift this up. It's going to get caught on the box. There we go. We got the instruction manual here. There's a little bit of, I think there's like a little toolkit in there. Got a little, let's see. Okay, so it's just telling us for transportation purposes, it has these brackets on here. Normally it runs on these rubber mounts, so with this bolted tight, it's not going to be able to, it's going to vibrate this whole frame basically. They put this on here so it doesn't jiggle around during shipping. So you got to take these off. There's one on both sides. Get those off. Then the motor and the generator, everything is mounted on these rubber mounts. It gives it a little bit of cushion so it doesn't vibrate as much. I'll just take a look at each side of this here. Let's see. Pretty straightforward. Get your exhaust here. On this side here, we have that other bracket that they want removed before you use it. Nice big rubber feet, even underneath the rubber mounts of the motor and the generator part itself. And then on this side, we have, looks like the air filter in here, obviously a pull start, choke is under here. So everything you need here has got a little bit of information up there telling you not to run it inside, obviously don't run it in your garage or anything like that. And then back to the front. Now on the front of this, you can see we have quite a few power options. You know, it's got some readout, battery information, DC overload or AC overload. You got a cigarette lighter style 12 volt there. You have your engine on and off. You have your efficient mode. Then you have a big 120 outlet here, and then your two standard 20 amp outlets here. So plenty of places to plug things in, and then these nice rubber covers that go over it. So everything you need right here for readout information. Of course, you get your oil. You want to make sure you check that. And then on top you have your fuel tank and your fuel gauge. So there it is right there. We will go ahead and get this thing all set up and run it, and that will be a future video. I'll do a separate video for that, but I just want to do an unboxing video and show you what comes in the box if you order it. I do like this nice framework too for carrying it, moving around. You have two people who can grab it on each side and you'll be good to go. Now this company was nice enough to send this out to me so I could do this review and this unboxing. And like I said, I will do a actual review of it running and in use. But for this one, I just want to do an unboxing video. I want to thank them for sending this out to me so I could do that. I really appreciate it. Hopefully, at least this video might tell you a little bit about if you order this thing, what you're going to get. But it's all right there, everything you need. Just got to fuel it up, oil it up, and you'll be good to go. So hope this video helps you out at least a little bit, but stay tuned for an actual operation video coming up soon.